more and welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I want to show you how to make free backlinks. I'm going to teach you how you can make free high quality backlinks in just 3 clicks. Okay, so before we proceed, I need us to go through what a backlink truly is. Now, in simple terms, a backlink is a link created from one website to another, or it's like a link that connects two different websites. So backlinks are also known as inbound links or incoming links, and they are very, very important for SEO. Now, why are backlinks so important to SEO? I'm going to tell you why. Backlinks are very valuable for SEO because they represent a vote of confidence from one site to another. In essence, backlinks to your website are a signal to search engines that others vouch for your content. So if many sites link to the same web page or website, search engines can infer that the content on that website is worth linking to, and therefore it can also improve your rankings on the web. So earning these backlinks can have a positive effect on the site's ranking position or search visibility. And to help you get started with improving your domain authority and site's rank on the web, I'm going to teach you how to make free backlink. But before we proceed, if this is your first time or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I publish new videos or I update my existing content. I'm gonna tell you why you need to do this, because I always give out free stuffs, and to ensure you don't miss out on the free stuff, kindly subscribe, show some love, so you'll be the first online to be notified whenever there's an update. Okay, guys, so if you've done this, let's get straight off the business of the day. And like I said, today we're going to learn how to create free backlinks in just 3 clicks. So if you were me, because I'm with you, let's get this party started. So to start off, we need to visit this website. It's a free SEO and digital marketing tools platform that has over 150 unique tools, premium tools that you can use to perform various tasks. And the name of that website is freetoolshub.com. You can bookmark this in your browser or save it somewhere. Okay, and the good thing about this site is all the tools are free. You can use them at no costs, 100% free of charge. Okay, so like I said, we're going to learn how to build free backlinks, like free high quality backlinks for free. And to get started, you just freetoolshub.com and search for backlink maker in the search bar, and you enter and wait for it to load up. Okay, so the backlink maker tool has popped up, and right now to start building the backlinks, you have to enter the domain name for which you want to build the link to. Okay, so if we were, let's say we want to build a backlinks for okay, let's say we want to build backlinks for Fiverr.com, or let's use another of my website, netpreneur.com, and we click on, once you've entered the domain name, you scroll down and click on submit and wait for the tool to work its magic. Awesome. So you can see the backlink maker tool on freetoolshub.com has started working its magic, and it's creating for us high quality backlinks. So you're going to be seeing the status. Each of the backlinks is going to give you success status if it's successful, and if you scroll down, it's going to help you create about 40 or 50 high quality backlinks. And you can check out each of the sites, the DA and the page rank of each of the sites. Okay, guys, so it's going to take a little time for the tool to finish creating the backlink, so you can either choose to stick around, or I'm gonna just pause this video and come back when it's all done to show you the end result. Okay, so stick with me and I'm gonna join you shortly. Okay, guys, so we're back, and as you can see, the backlink maker tool on freetoolshub.com has finished creating our backlinks for us, and this is how you can create free high quality backlinks for your site. So if you find value by watching this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this content on your social media platform. This will be all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and watch out for my next video. Signing out.